So friend, what is file DSN? I'm already last video continue I'm told you. So what is a file DSN and ODBC data source 32-bit 64-bit how is work in control panel systems here. So how many type technologies available in control panel I will show you in one by one. So this video is last previous video continue. So watch my last video. I'm already created some videos, component services, and event viewer. Some I'm already created these Windows 10 settings. So watch my video playlist and watch all of my video part was here because sometime long time durations is a very boring type for you. So I'm continue one by one part created and my all setting very deeply here, and I'm created one type of playlist for you different part wise here. So let's start here. System DSN. So file DSN, what is a different system DSN? System is only work system, main computer system, but file DSN I can manage my through my computer custom system, custom settings. Okay, so you can see here my file, my this file sport cricket 07 GTS and it has the two tab games here available. So this is a gaming document store side. Okay, I can change other side. You can see a document available, these all of my 5 type files. Okay, so looking in a 32-bit inside, you can see here again this type available in, but you can see here 32-bit. Why I'm showing you, why showing not 64-bit, because I'm both side very work. So you can see here both area work for 64 32-bit. So 64 inside 32-bit work different type files and folders and services, but main is a 64-bit because because my is drivers all of install. You can see drivers, my different type devices drivers. So drivers you can see Excel, parent driver, access driver, Microsoft DBase drivers. Every without driver you cannot work your devices, just like mouse, your mic, your camera, your keyboard, your CPU, anything your. So without driver you cannot work in with version. You can see here company and file, object file, different type object file. So first a driver database and driver systems base. What is a driver system based system? Only automatically your default install your software like notepad, your access accessories, different types. So this is a without a driver you cannot work. So you add new new driver for only new devices, just like joystick and new fingerprint mouse, matrix scanner system, you coming with a new adapter, wireless adapter. So without driver you cannot start your your Microsoft with your operating systems, and any your advanced systems you using, just like I'm give example HD graphics, new camera using. So you first need driver, and without driver you cannot work. So all of driver available here. Okay, only systems, not your not your devices. So you want first you are using system. So this is a systems, all of driver and files extensions here. So extension you can see here 32-bit and 64 bit only 5 type only available files here, but 32-bit insert very more different files available in Microsoft systems 32-bit work only. So you can see here 5 type SQL server. What is a SQL server I will discuss in a server series, but you can see here SQL servers is this one type of server. So you can see here 32-bit insert very more drivers files available. You can see here why, because my 32-bit most using for 32-bit systems, and some services not start for 64-bit and I'm not using. So this reason very lot of files here. Okay, so this is a 64-bit insert very more driver files here. Okay, see a lot of files here. So different type Microsoft drivers available inside 32-bit. So you can see here. Okay, what is a driver? Click on it and you can see here. Just see this my 5 inside this 64 Windows, and you can see left side not more 5. So you can see right side only 5, 64 inside 64 Windows inside only 5 type of drivers files available, but 64 in, without 32-bit inside. You can see here very lot of file. So without driver you cannot start your devices driver, because your system and your devices work with only driver, and drivers is main with systems for you know about how can work and how can control. Tracing, what is a tracing? Tracing means your trace your main, trace mean you trace your path. Where is my installed file, where is my already stored file. uh, you can see here my this tab file partition. C inside username, application, local, temp, and SQL. This can you can see log file path. Okay, so log file path means you know about already. You maybe you watch event viewer video, so you already know about what is a log. So log is a one type of information stored in your computer, very permanent. Maybe you can use so automatically you can this a file and changing anything. So this is a log file, automatically redirect information your file, sending anything your change, sending information in event viewer tools inside, and any man woman change check, and using your ODBC data. So 32-bit 64 32-bit system. So what you is using and what is your is changing systems and different types settings available in change information. So this changing anything is also automatically changing information store event viewer options. Okay, so log file path means this is file my logging system log. Okay, so automatically this stored temp folder. You can see left side log file path and custom trace DLL, the dynamic link locally. So this is a Windows inside 32, and you can see C partition, C Windows folder inside system 32 folder inside this odbc .dll. Okay, this type files custom trace DLL file. Okay, so dynamic link locally work for process your systems, anything your your game, your systems, your softwares. Every DLL file very important for your store your information, your store your different type programming file, and you can active your start your program by DLL systems. So programmer engineer always know about what is a DLL. I will discuss DLL file, what is a DLL file, and now what is a why using. But 64-bit inside you can see here. This is a already start 64 inside, and I'm you can know I'm already show you. Okay, stop. You can stop your system. So stop your this tab drivers and the information is here. But you can see here this tab 5 only 5, not more information drivers. So you can see systems and different type systems here. Okay, so this is a lot of files here, and these inside 64 inside not only more 5, only 5 type files here. You can see drivers. So all the file goes in tracing by. Okay, so you can stop tracing and check your files in custom systems here. So sometimes file not working and give error different types. So why give error? Because sometimes file viruses corrupt your file and damage your, maybe you by mistake delete your file, your drivers. So this is a very important for administrative tools for find your files your. So I'm already told you this tab you can see here list of your files, and this is a already stored version with a different type company. So this is only for work only company is Microsoft company, and you can see a version different type 10.00 point you can see here. Okay, so any file by mistake you delete, but you can see a same all of file here in one systems. You can see my version only same version but not name same. Okay, and not work safe. I am click on 32-bit stop tracing and connecting connection routing, yeah, connection pooling. Okay, so what is a connection pooling means? Connection is a different type, making a sometime timeout, sometime so one connection may be busy, maybe disconnect, so second connection automatically start. Okay, so if first connection might not perfectly work, so automatically that time second automatically start my connection. So this is a connection, but we are talk about only driver. So driver automatically one file start, not one file start. Driver insert very lot of different type files available: txt, csv, mdb, axev, different type available, xsls and xvv, dll, different type files available, lot of file available in driver. So all of driver files very important, because some files available different work in different platforms. So all of file work with you connection your systems and the systems IDs. So you can see a file, click on file manager. So that time this time you can see this PC, desktop, anything. So how can this operating system identifier? I'm click on file explorer and open this tab windows. So this is already this I'm click on here and I'm open this tab, anything I'm move this cursor this tab. So how can identify these Windows operating system different type driver files work, and different type services work with your computer. Without your services you cannot work, you cannot start your computer. So first you need services data, services files, all of you can see here Microsoft Excel, ODBC data into for Oracle. What is Oracle? Oracle is one type of company for data storage. So I will discuss Oracle company, but I'm just talking about ODBC data source and administrator tools. So administrator tools is a very important ODBC data source. Maybe you change your file, maybe you change your so delete your file, so you can check here and you can control your drivers files and different systems here. So source files available in different information in this ODBC data source here. Okay, so very important for administrative tools. So check files, sometime file corrupt, and sometime file maybe by mistake delete your systems and your systems with your computer. So we are talk about in simple computer. Okay, so administrator means your main computer user. So I'm talk about only for user. So user is the one tab, two tab, local and user, main user. So main user called administrator, and you can see here different type, pool time out 120. Okay, or 60, you can see a 60. So SQL server in pool time out. So this is a full time out and timing here. Okay, so I might pull it 120 these. So ODBC Oracle, sometime maybe these work not work for, and you can connect on pooling platform, counters troubleshooting means sometime file not perfectly work and busy file type. So you can check and connect to your troubleshooting with. You can see already I'm talk about so thanks for watching my video. Next topic video I will discuss.